What is going on, guys? It's your boy Dot Skywalker here, and I'm making a different kind of video because I had this problem for the longest time. As you can see, I have a Dell Alienware monitor, and it kept saying it was 60 hertz. Even when you went to display adapter properties and did this, like a couple videos told me to do, it still said it was just 60 hertz. I'll show you both versions of the HDMI and DisplayPort adapter, but all I simply had to do was buy this DisplayPort adapter and plug that into my graphics card, and then plug that into my Alienware monitor. Any higher end monitor will have a DisplayPort, and it looks like an HDMI. I'll show a photo right here. It looks like an HDMI, but it's not an HDMI. It only has one of those curved ends, and you just plug it into the back of your graphics card, not your motherboard, and then you go back into here. Sorry, it's lagging. Where is it? Okay, I don't know why it's lagging. Let me try to reload this, but oh shit. Of course it opened in the background. Yeah, so basically you go here, monitor, and now it shows you all of them. It used to be stuck on 60, but now it's showing me all of them. Click apply. Okay. Even if you go, and that should fix your problem. Now I'm going to unplug the DisplayPort cable and plug in the HDMI cable and show you what my problem was. Hang on. Alright, now I have it plugged in, the HDMI cord into, now it's HDMI, you see? So the issue here when you do that, let's go display settings. Okay, I don't know why this is bugging. It's showing you guys, but not showing me. Is it over on this screen? Okay. Oh, okay, that's weird. Okay, but you see that says, I can't even see it because it's weird. It's like, but let's do that, and then I think that. As you can see, it's 60 hertz because it's connected to the HDMI now, and you can't get the 240. See, I'm showing you guys, like, it's not popping up on here for some reason. I have no clue why. But yeah, so now it says 60 hertz, and I couldn't figure it out. I tried every video, and I didn't see an actual video that helped me. But then I do this, got the DisplayPort cable because my boy Slick hooked me up, told me to just get the DisplayPort cable, should fix it. And there we go. I was like, okay, doesn't work. DisplayPort properties, got the DisplayPort cables, obviously had to switch the input, didn't work until I did that. And then monitor. Okay, hang on, let me unplug the HDMI. It's not supposed to be plugged in. Okay, now let's restart that. Go. Oh, there you go, it's already changed, 240 hertz. I'm gonna end the recording there. I'll probably. Yep, there we go, got the recording. So yeah, there we go. That's how you do it, guys. If you do have a 240 hertz or even 144, I don't know if it changes it, but yeah, it just wasn't working. I was confused. I had tons of frame drops. I'm hoping this solves it. But yeah, that's how you do it basically. And if this did work, make sure to leave a like on the video. Comment down below if you're having any issues, and I will help you to the best of my ability. And that's all for the video. I love you all. Thank you. See you next time.